We all have different tastes for our coffee. It's not just the beans and the grinding that matter. So do the milk and the frothing, the right temperature, the perfect thickness, and the consistent movements. Every single detail matters. No matter how you like your milk, we've got it all. Cappuccino, macchiato, chocolate milk, or just be creative. Maybe not that creative. And it's all thanks to Maestri House. With just a few clicks on the distinctive touchscreen, you can adjust the heat and thickness of the milk foam to explore and determine your flavor of the day. Through months of researching and testing, we are now presenting that ideal machine, catering to all your needs. There's no perfect cup of coffee, but just the right one for you. Barista Finesse of temperature and thickness. Maestri House. Truth in household coffee appliance.